In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change like button to follow button on Facebook, page 2025. First, make sure that Facebook app is updated in here in App Store or Google Play Store. Now, on Facebook pages in 2025, the like button has gradually been phased out in favor of the follow button, since Facebook now wants followers to be the main way people connect with a page. If your page is still showing the like button and you want it switched to follow, you'll need to make sure your page is using the new pages experience, because this is the setup that prioritizes followers over likes. To do this, go to your page on the Facebook app or desktop and open the page settings. Look for the option to switch to new page experience. Once you migrate, your page will automatically display the follow button instead of like. Any previous likes will be converted into followers, but people who liked your page and turned off following will not be carried over as followers. That's why you may see a change in your numbers after switching. After you're on the new setup, you can further adjust visibility in settings, then go to privacy, page info, and finally followers. Here, you can make sure that the follow button is clearly shown to everyone, and you can even enable the option for people to follow without liking. On mobile, this often shows up instantly as the blue follow button at the top of your page. If your page already uses the new pages experience but the like button still appears, you may need to clear cache or update the Facebook app, since in most cases it should display only follow. In some regions, Facebook still shows both buttons, but you can highlight the follow feature by encouraging users through page posts or pinning a message that says tap follow to get updates. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.